What's going on? It's your boy Mike Lowy, Lowy Trading Academy. Today's price action was straight booty cheeks. Check this out. So obviously, first off, tomorrow we have Fed minutes, so I do think that's why we're a little bit choppy today. We're just kind of ranging. So NVDA was one of the trades that I was looking for today, as well as Tesla. But unfortunately, I got stuck on NVIDIA and missed Tesla's entry back to the upside at this 457.6 level. I actually had what I have on the Discord. I actually had 456. Yeah. So 456, boom, was the sweep. So I really had a level right there, which is gorgeous. So that was the sweep and reclaim to go back to 460 on Tesla that we missed. Did not catch it. And then we stopped out twice on NVIDIA. So my mindset behind NVIDIA was on the 1 hour time frame. And I showed you guys this live as well. We have what seems to me a perfect head and shoulders, right? So this is kind of what I'm expecting NVIDIA to do. And that's just, I mean, it could happen, may not happen. Just my opinion. I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just saying. Just saying here. We could very well just hold this and bounce, right? So I wanted to take it at least to this 185.60 level. And so what happened was initially price came and broke below 187.5, right? So when price broke below, I switched to the 2-minute chart. Sweet. Maybe it was a little bit lower. Yeah, no, this was my entry and this was my stop loss. So stop loss entry was 187.55. Stop loss was 188. But I ended up stopping out at this green candle. I mean, I'm not gonna wait to my stop loss to stop out. So as this candle was pushing up with that volume, I just at this candle close, I just stopped out. I could have waited, yeah, and then had a more precise exit, but I actually just tried it again. So I stopped out, and then price came back below, right? We reclaimed. So then right here, I took this entry again at the 187.55. So another, look, first entry, second entry, and again, boom, right there. So as soon as price reclaimed right here, that's when I stopped, right? So this is again stopped out. Well, I already stopped like right here again because I already know that this right here is going to push back higher. However, let's see if it respected any. Okay, so yeah, I mean, maybe if I had the 21 on there, I would have waited, but that's just not how I trade. I don't trade off EMAs. I don't really. I just trade levels. That's all I trade. And usually my levels end up being key anyways. Like that's a 200, so we'll see what happens with NVIDIA. So that was a small L, and then spot. I lost literally $50. Like, boom. Okay, $38. Like, guys, I'm using minimal to, like, I usually go. I'll play with a couple thousand or 1,000 in my position size, but other than that, like this whole past 2 weeks since Christmas, I've been doing like $400 or $500. I'm not risking a lot because I know that this is the price action we're dealing with. I mean, how do you trade something like this? You can just trade bounces and maybe a little over break or a previous day. This previous day was nice. That level right there, that could have been a beautiful bounce spot. But yeah, that's just not. I mean, I guess we could have taken that long. But 686 to what? 688. Okay, so you could have caught a $2 move if you would have made it. Like if you would have held, I would have sold right here. I'm not gonna. I mean, you don't know, right? So that was my NTZ. All right, all of this, my NTZ. You know what NTZ is? No trade zone. All right, I don't touch price in that. That's how I preserve capital and play it smart. Now I will wait for the supply reject or this break below. Um, but yeah, and then shoot, Tesla. Okay, Tesla broke back below, so Tesla 461 to 457 wouldn't be a bad idea. That's nice. That's nice, 459. Yeah. Eh. Eh. AMD. Okay, again, still just staying off this 217 level. Hood. Hood I'm waiting for actually. Hood I'm waiting to break out of this. Hood and Netflix I actually have. So yep. Hood and then Netflix. I'm curious to wait to see what happens with those. But other than that, Google pumped this morning, pumped and dumped fast. Um, but yeah, we're just in this range. I think the Fed minutes tomorrow will push us one way or the other. And I don't think we're really going to break out of that at all until yeah, see. I don't think we're gonna break out of that. We're just gonna stay in that range until tomorrow.